Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are going to look at another exercise. We had this in quiz actually on how to use a priori algorithm. Priori algorithm is one algorithm for association rule mining. Now the question says you are given the following data set here, accident and weather data. So each line represent or correspond to one event. So this is one event, one event, one event, one event, basically one transaction. Okay, so in the first transaction, there is a car accident when it rains, and there is a lightning, and there is wind, there's cloud, and there's fire. Now we are going to focus on question number 2 here. It says find all association rules for minimal support of 0.6 and minimal confidence of 1.0. So remember, there are 2 steps in the priori algorithm whereby we want to generate or find the item sets that are frequent. We want to find frequent item sets which has support 0.6. That means it appears 6 out of 10 times in the transaction or in the events, in the list of events. Okay, so the second step, after we generate all the item sets, we want to find we will start generate the rules, and we want to find which rules has the minimal confidence of 1. Okay, so if we have a look at the solution here, okay, so the first one, the first step, we must find all the frequent item set of size 1. Why? Because the question asks for, what was the support just now? Support of 0.6. Okay. So we do that. This is all the items. So cloud is an item, wind is an item, lightning is an item. So we find all the support for the items, and we find those appears more than 60%, or because the value given in the question was 0.6. So we will take those frequent items that has support more than 60%. So for example, cloud is 75%, wind is 0.625%, more than 60%. Okay, so how do we get this 0.75%? So we need to find how many times, or how many event, or how many transaction that contains, what was it? Cloud. Okay, so let's have a look here. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 events. Okay, so how many events that has cloud? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 from 8, 6 out of 8 events contain cloud. Therefore, the support is 0.75, and we are going to take this. So cloud, wind, lightning, rain, and fire are called frequent item sets. So from the above item sets, okay, we next generate all possible item set of size 2. Okay, clouds and wind, clouds and lightning, clouds and rain, clouds and fire, wind and lightning, wind and rain, wind and fire. Okay, and then we prune, or we cut, or we remove the item set with support below than 0.6, because remember, we are still in the first stage. We want to generate all frequent item sets, and we want to find item sets that appear 60% from the original set of events or set of transactions. So only 2 item sets remain. You do that because I'm going to save the space here. So we only have 2 frequent item sets, which is lightning, fire, that has support 0.625, support more than 60%, and we also have cloud, rain, which has support 0.625, more than 60%. What does it mean? It means that the combination the combination of item lightning and fire occurs 60% from the original events, lightning and fire. So let's check that. This one, okay, 1, lightning and fire, lightning no fire, lightning and fire. Is there any more? Lightning and fire, lightning and fire. So what are that? What is that? 4. Lightning and fire. Oh, we also have this lightning and fire. That's 2. Lightning and fire. That's 3. Lightning and fire. That's 4. Five. Okay. So you count that. So basically you get more than 60%. So it is not possible. The solution says it is not possible to generate item set of size 3 out of these 2 item sets. Okay, because we cannot have lightning, fire, cloud, and rain. Okay, that is 4 items already. We cannot get 3. So then, based on the item sets of size 2 that we have, we want, this is the second step in association rule mining, we want to generate all possible association rules and compute their confidence. Remember, the first step in association rule mining, we find the frequent item sets by finding those items that has frequency more than the support values given in the question. So the second one here, we want to have, based on the 2 frequent item set that we have just now, we want to generate rules. Okay, so the first rule that we can get, if there is lightning, there will be fire. Okay, and we have, if there is fire, there will be lightning. If there are clouds, there will be rain. If there is rain, there are clouds. Okay, so based on these 4 rules, we want, again, we want to find what is the confidence of these rules. Confidence means the strength, the strength of the rules. So we want to collect or select the rules with the highest confidence. That is what association rule mining is about. Because when we are dealing with a real world data sets like Tesco, retail data set, Tesco, what else we have? We have Giant and other big stores, Justco. There are thousands, 100,000s of items, and if we find the frequent item sets as well, we will end up with millions of rules, and it is just not possible, and it is not effective. We just cannot choose all the rules, so we must find the rules with the highest confidence. So in this case, given these rules, we want to find the support. Again, you go back to the original transaction and find what are how many times the combination of lightning and fire appears from the total of 8 transactions or 8 events in the original question. So in this case, you get the support 0.625 and the confidence is 1. Why the confidence is 1? Because there is only, because 100% from the data set has this combination, lightning and fire. If there is lightning, there will be fire. Okay, then you go back to other combination, other rules, and you will find out the confidence is 0.83 for fire and lightning, and same goes for the third rule, clouds to rain. If it clouds, then it rains. The confidence is also 0.83. The final one, the final rule, if it rains, then it has clouds. The confidence is also 1. So from the final rules that we have here, there are only 2 rules with confidence equal to 1, and that is the final solution. Okay, let's go back to the question. Okay, the question says find all the association rules, not frequent item set. Frequent item sets are just the first step. We want to find the rules with minimum support more than 60% and confidence more, not more, is definitely certain 1.0, 100%. Okay, so that's all for this example. Thank you and goodbye.